We're an intensive outpatient practice, helping clients who need more assistance than one-on-one weekly therapy sessions. Our intensive programming helps people work through anxiety, depression, burnout, and other barriers that keep them from living their fullest lives.
We're excited to be here and Chloe's going to Chloe and the team have done an amazing job, not only with the physical space here, as you can see, but also identifying very needed mental health services in the community.